Autel MS906 MAX Bi-Directional Scanner Honest Review, OE-coding and Real Shop Results. What if your diagnostic scanner is the actual reason a repair is taking twice as long as it should? That is a harder question than it sounds. Most technicians assume the tool is fine until a complex European module refuses to code, a newer GM throws a CAN FD communication error, or the screen is simply too small to read live data clearly during a tight job. And here is the thing. The scanner you trust every single day is either actively working for you or quietly working against you. Think about the last time you hooked up your scanner and hit a real wall. Maybe it was an FCA vehicle with a locked SGW that completely blocked your bidirectional tests. Maybe it was a late model BMW or Jaguar that your tool could not communicate with because DOIP simply was not supported on your current hardware. Or maybe the battery died at hour 6 of a demanding full-day job and you lost your entire session halfway through a module coding procedure. These are not rare edge cases at all. They happen regularly in professional shops, and every single one of them costs time, customer confidence, and real money that should have stayed in the business. You start piecing together workarounds, borrowing subscriptions from other tools, or worse, sending vehicles to the dealer for work you should have handled yourself. The quiet frustration of owning a scanner that is almost capable is genuinely one of the most draining feelings in a busy bay every week. Then everything changed when I picked up the Autel MS906 MAX bidirectional scanner. Don't just pick any bidirectional scanner. Make sure it has OE-level ECU coding with full DOIP and CAN FD protocol support, so you never experience the dead-end frustration of a tool that cannot reach the modules your customers actually bring in again. This scanner carries over 3,000 active bidirectional tests covering components like AC clutches, radiator fans, throttle bodies, coolant pumps, and window regulators, which means you can confirm every repair before the customer leaves the bay with confidence. The 10.1-inch high-resolution display makes reading live data streams and freeze frame information noticeably clearer during complex diagnostics, especially compared to cramped screens on older mid-range tools everyone has been putting up with. A shop owner I spoke with finished a BMW F-chassis ECU coding job in under 30 minutes using the online coding function, something that previously required a dealer visit for his customer every single time. The FCA SGW auto-auth bypass is built in, so Stellantis vehicles no longer stop the workflow cold mid-job. The 11,600 mAh battery runs complete 8-hour shifts without interruption or anxiety. AutoScan 2.0 pulls every system fault in seconds flat. What would one additional diagnostic capability per day mean for your shop revenue? Trust builds quickly when the results stay consistent across different vehicles and conditions. A diagnostic specialist reviewed the MS906 MAX and specifically highlighted that the ECU coding capabilities genuinely rival those of the MS909 and Elite 2 Pro at a significantly lower investment, which is not something commonly said about a mid-range tool in this category. A shop owner noted that the Maxi VCI V200 Bluetooth connection stayed completely stable from the far end of a 4-bay garage without a single dropout during a full remote diagnostic session. One verified buyer described the experience plainly. It connects to any car, finds errors without issues, and tests each module block separately in real time with full code descriptions included. An industry publication confirmed that Stellantis and Nissan SGW auto-auth approvals make the MS906 MAX one of the very few aftermarket scanners legally cleared for secure gateway access. The 128GB storage and octa-core processor make the interface feel noticeably faster than anything else in this tier. Thousands of independent technicians and shop owners are already running the Autel MS906 MAX bidirectional scanner as their go-to primary diagnostic tool, and the reasons are genuinely straightforward. OE-level ECU coding, full DOIP and CAN-FD support, more than 40 service functions, and a full all-day battery built into a single professional-grade tablet changes how efficiently a real shop operates every single day. Results may vary depending on vehicle make, model year, and current software version. I have dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned it right at the top. Just click and see for yourself. Your next diagnostic job genuinely deserves a tool that can actually finish it. For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.